So guys, recently India has received its 44th UNESCO World Heritage Site. Now let's discuss about that specific thing, that what is the name of the site, where it is situated, and we will also discuss in brief about what is the relationship between India and the UNESCO World Heritage Site. We will discuss about the total number of cultural, natural and mixed heritage sites in India. We will talk about the rank of India in terms of the total global heritage sites. We will also talk about the first heritage sites that were included from India in this specific list, and at the end I will also brief about the last three sites, that is 43rd, 42nd, 41st World Heritage Site that have been included. Let's begin here. The first part is the name of this World Heritage Site is Maratha Military Landscape of India, which actually tells us about the Maratha Empire. कि मराठा एम्पायर का जो आपका पूरा का पूरा मिलिट्री सिस्टम था, जो उनका सिस्टम था, उसको डिपिक्ट करता है ये मराठा मिलिट्री लैंडस्केप ऑफ इंडिया। कहाँ पे है जी? ये दोस्तों स्प्रेड रहता है अक्रॉस महाराष्ट्र एंड तमिलनाडु, वेयर मेजॉरिटी ऑफ दीज लोकेशंस आर इन महाराष्ट्र। वन ऑफ द फोर्ट, दैट इज जिंजर फोर्ट, इट इज इन तमिलनाडु। ठीक है, then let's talk about India and the UNESCO World Heritage Site relation here. If I talk about here, in total we have 44 World Heritage Sites now, where we have 36 cultural heritage sites, 7 natural, and there is only one mixed heritage site that is there in India. Please let me know about that in the comment section. Now let's begin further on. India ranks 6th globally, second in the Asia Pacific region in terms of total number of World Heritage Sites. If I talk about globally, Italy is being ranked at number 1 with the maximum number of World Heritage Sites here. Then let's talk about how India started its journey in the World Heritage Site. So India ने initially 1983 में पहली बार अपनी वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट्स इंक्लूड करवाई थी, जिसमें 4 हेरिटेज साइट्स, चारों की चारों कल्चरल हेरिटेज साइट्स थी जो इंडिया की इंक्लूड हुई थी। वो कौन सी थी? आगरा फोर्ट, अजंता केव्स, अलोरा केव्स एंड इट वाज ताजमहल। और इसके बाद डिस्कस करते हैं जो लास्ट की 3 हेरिटेज साइट्स इंक्लूड हुई हैं। दैट इज द 43rd वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट दैट वाज इंक्लूडेड इन 2024, दैट वाज बाय द नेम ऑफ मोइडाम्स ऑफ कैरेडियो, दैट इज इन असम। देन वी हैव 42nd वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट एंड 41st वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट that was included in the year 2023. 42nd का नाम था Sacred and Samples of Hoysala, जो कि बेसिकली कर्नाटका में है, एंड 41st का नाम था शांति निकेतन, जो कि वेस्ट बंगाल में हो। So I hope guys this quick summary about the UNESCO World Heritage Site is useful for your examination. To get to know more about these sort of stuffs and information, you can subscribe to the channel of Aerotab Regulatory Bodies. I wish you all the best for the examination. Keep working hard, keep preparing hard. Bye bye.